This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check that your carrier plan supports continuous tethering and that no time limits apply. Update your phone operating system and any external modem firmware immediately. Once done, reboot the phone and the devices you plan to connect, and turn off battery saver modes so the hotspot can run continuously. Make sure location and network permissions are allowed for tethering, and proceed to configure hotspot settings for stability. Next, you address the detailed execution steps that improve stability. Change the hotspot band, choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for less interference, so devices maintain a stronger link. Limit connections to essential clients and assign static IPs or DHCP reservations to avoid lease conflicts. Once done, turn off automatic Wi-Fi shutdown and extend or disable idle timeout in hotspot settings. This prevents premature disconnects. Make sure power-saving features on both phones. Finally, you complete the process and prepare a single key troubleshooting tip. Start by testing with one client and monitor RSSI and throughput to confirm a stable connection, then gradually add devices. Use a dedicated charger or USB tethering to avoid battery saver shutdowns and keep the phone cool to prevent thermal throttling. If problems persist, reset network settings and APN, and then contact your carrier. Sometimes provider-side session limits or APN issues are the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.